28 unforced error. Juice na naman tayo. Fault? Fault ulit, Lara. Oh. Ate Jere, fault ulit si Iga. Isang fault ulit. Advantage na si ano, si Alex. Oh. Good. Pasok yung kanyang ano. Ang lakas, ang bilis talaga ng service niya, ano. Oh. Galing talaga si Iga.
It was good tactic to go behind your opponent.
Hindi pinapakita kung ilan yung speed ng ano eh, ng service. Ng service.
Especially on the clay court, sometimes not as easy at reacting quickly with your feet.
Sige, kaya mo pa yan. Okay. Good. Nako, out!
Yeah, just to put
yes,
into context,
out.
we often talk about unforced errors, but you know, 2/3 of her points that she's won today, Ayala, have been unforced errors. And it's not like forced errors, it's big errors like that. But she is just doing what she has to do, Ayala.
Good.
It's the decision that she'll have to make if it gets to the stage where Swiatek starts to play better.
Lara, lisa mo bilis. 40-40.
Right now. No adjustments needed.
Sino manalo? Ang lakas ng service ito, mabilis eh, oh. Out. Oh, in. Pasok. In.
What a
Very
reaction
good.
though, because there was a funny bounce, but she found a way. That's how relaxed she is.
Tama nga, relax nga talaga siya.
And when your mind is relaxed, then your body's relaxed too.
Break point.
It's been perfect with the 2 break points she's had so far.
Okay, kaya yan. Good. Out! Yes! 1-0.
And just like the opening set, and Swiatek puts her hands out as if to say, why is this happening to me?
Oh, bumabalik na naman yung sa Miami. Yan.
Ayala,
Okay. Break point.
how well has she managed her tennis in this one?
Good.